बॉलीवुड के मशहूर सितारे वरुण धवन और सामंथा रुथ प्रभु ने आज अपने बहुप्रतीक्षित सीरीज सिताडेल हनी बनी के लॉन्च इवेंट में 4 चांद लगा दिए। इस खास मौके पर इनके साथ फिल्म के निर्देशक जोड़ी राज और डीके, लेखक सीता मेनन और निर्माता निखिल मधोक भी मौजूद रहे। इस इवेंट में ग्लैमरस अवतार में नजर आए वरुण और सामंथा ने इस सीरीज के बारे में कई दिलचस्प बातें शेयर की। खासकर वरुण ने बताया कि इस सीरीज के लिए उन्हें 11 या 12 मिनट के एक सीन को बिना कट के शूट करना पड़ा, जो उनके लिए एक बड़ी चुनौती थी। वहीं सामंथा ने भी इस सीरीज के लिए अपनी मेहनत और लगन का जिक्र किया। राज और डीके ने भी इस मौके पर सीरीज के बारे में खुलकर बात की और बताया कि कैसे उन्होंने इस सीरीज को एक अलग लेवल पर ले जाने की कोशिश की है। फैंस इस सीरीज का बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं और लॉन्च इवेंट की इन तस्वीरों ने तो उनके उत्साह को और भी बढ़ा दिया है।
Honestly, actually what I want to say, and I'm sure Sam must be feeling the same way, is that I think we've waited so long for this. We waited so long for this that it's finally here. Can you believe it's happening actually?
I can't believe I actually had a moment with myself just sitting down. This has been a while and I waited for this for a while. 1 year.
Both of you have
You guys
impressed
like
us.
it?
Honestly, like genuinely honestly, my preparation was very, very easy compared to Samantha's because I think it's public knowledge what she was battling when she got onto this show. And, I would think I have it hard when I just started rehearsing and getting into stuff. And I'm like, yeah, Raj DK are really making me do all this and all. But when I would see the kind of work ethic this girl had and what she was actually battling, that really inspired me. And we became partners almost, in making things happen. But I've actually never been on a shoot or on a creative process like that where I'm seeing a co-actor go through something, and you learn so much. You learn so much about human beings in general when you see someone battling something and win. And I think she's inspired me, inspired Raj DK, Sita, everyone, Amazon. I think she's an inspiration that how she has done this show and done an action show. It's commendable. Seriously, Sam, it's commendable.
I should have worn glasses. I'm going to cry now. Varun is being too kind. Like he said, it was a partnership. When we would do action, it really felt like a dance. It felt like, you remember we discussed this, that action felt like a romantic song because there was just so much sync. I've never had that kind of sync because, well, Rajan DK being Rajan DK, love, long shot. They don't say cut and it goes on for how long was our...
I think we have a 11 or 12 minute one take action sequence.
Wow.
in the show.
And it's the both of us with the cameraman and everyone has to be in absolute sync. So I've never felt that kind of chemistry with anyone and it shows, I believe it shows because that action sequence is truly special. I shouldn't say that myself, but just making it was absolutely beautiful.
And honestly, this is just a teaser. ये सिर्फ teaser है. Actually, what all is there, Raj and DK are being a little कंजूस. उन लोगों को खोलना नहीं अभी तक. It's something which will blow your minds. The kind of everything. I think the kind of background score we have, the way the show has been set up, the way we've shot it, was really a learning experience. For me, I think after Badlapur and October, I was shooting on real locations. Otherwise, it would always be sets and this and that, little more glamorized. But with this, we were every day, one day in Bhandup, one day in Thane, one day. I was like, यार ये Amazon का show है. मेरे को लगा यार थोड़ा set wet पे लेके जाएंगे. But they were like, नहीं, street पे करना है. भागो इधर, उधर जाओ, ये करो. And but fingers crossed. I don't want to speak too much. Just very excited about it.
For the first time on such a big show, I really wanted... I know Varun is one of the most hardworking people in the industry. And all he thinks about, I believe that from the time he wakes up, he has only one thought. And that is, how do I do this scene better? How do I... He actually does, from the time he wakes up, I think he's always focusing on how to do his job better. And also, on a side note, he's also one of the nicest human beings. I think that he has a wonderful sense of humor. and he just makes sure that everyone is happy on set. He's always smiling. There's never a rough day. There's never no. Everyone is just so cool around him. And what he's done in Citadel is a completely new VD. Completely new. His action is.
भगवान भगवान का प्लान है.
Huh? How?
Actually, वो ड्रेक का गाना है, but it's famous because of रिंकू सिंह. Even I believe that. और ओवर भी क्या डाला है रिंकू सिंह ने 19th over. Actually, it's very fascinating when me and Sam met. We are born only a few days apart. Actually,
You are younger?
I'm. I behave younger. I don't know if I am. You're on
April 28th,
No,
87.
you're 28th. I'm 24th. So I'm
4 days-
younger. I'm
4
4
days
days younger.
elder.
I'm 4 days younger. But we were always so much in sync. Even it's like how we feel like when we go for an event or how the actual feeling. It's strange. I don't know. It's because if we both are Taurians or we are born few days apart. But there's a lot of sync. I think over there, and she's very spiritual as well, which always helps. So I think with the series, what happens is that you get a much longer time to be in the character. And you're always, and when you're working with directors like Raj and DK, they're very concerned कि ये कोई दूसरा काम तो नहीं कर रहा है. He's starting some other film. Is he shooting some ad? So they were very concerned before. I think I went on board only. They had given me strict thing that if you're doing this, you cannot do another film during this. You cannot do, you shoot no ads. This is your look. You be only in this. So I found, actually I enjoyed it a little more because I got to be in this character of Bunny for a much longer period of time. And because you get so much time, you get episodes, जो character का जो arc है, I think वो better, it comes out better. It's like how in real life you want people to understand you and not misunderstand you. But sometimes the meeting is so less that they misunderstand you. इसमें I think people hopefully will understand my character. They won't. And there's so many other moments which you can express so well. And they're wonderful directors, yeah. Honestly, Raj and DK are just such wonderful directors. I had such a good time learning from them and being directed by them. And I think people will get to see a very different side of mine, which I don't think I've gone into that side since Badlapur. I've got a chance now with them. They've really pushed me into a corner to remove this performance, but I'm glad it happened. And she does a 10-minute ice bath thing. That's, I don't know. It's not even a challenge anymore because we would do action sequences and then Sam is like, the best way to heal is to just do an ice bath. And I was like, I would tell my trainer, हाँ यार देख ये भी कर रही है, करना चाहिए हम लोग को. So then he would get ice and put, and I would be like just 2 minutes, like, hey, बहुत ठंडा है भाई, मैं बाहर निकल रहा हूँ. And she would do like 10 minutes.
Not 10
You've
minutes.
done it, but
That's
you've done it
commendable.
very long, yeah. Way longer than me.
6 minutes.
6-7 minutes to you were going till. It was very challenging, I know that in Family Man also they had a long one take action sequence which they had done. So when they came to pitch this idea कि इसमें हम लोग 12 मिनट का एक लंबा one take करेंगे, 1 hour. That's how what they call it, a 1 hour करेंगे. तो my question और Sam का भी question यही था कि करेंगे कैसे ये, इसके लिए बहुत rehearsal चाहिए होगा because there are different parts. और हम लोग एक हवेली में शूट कर रहे थे, a palace we were shooting in. And ये कैसे करेंगे, choreograph कैसे करेंगे, because as we keep moving things get more difficult. There are bombs that are bursting, there are grenades that we are throwing and which are bursting in real time and stuff like that. And I mean it's actually a very scientific process, a very technical thing.
But this time we had really good action, a hidden action talent in both of them, that we actually put them in the line of fire. So they had to do the stunts. There was really no doubles. So they had to do it all themselves. So that was the challenge this time. And they were up for it. Right? Correct?
I'm glad you made that very clear.
Yeah. Very
He
first,
did it.
Varun was so enthusiastic that the very first day, very first shot of him, usually it's a respectful shot, right? Baith ke, let's take action. What we did was he was ulta, tanga fight, head down from the top. He came down. That was his very first shot. So it was that kind of enthusiastic actors we need as creators to push the boundaries. 3 of us started off with 99 here. So we've only made what we wrote, what we direct, what we wrote, directed, and produced most of our stuff, and that's how we believed that we could do something unique and something that nobody's going to push us to do, right? So that's the freedom that we enjoyed as filmmakers, and I'm glad we stuck to that, and I'm glad that platforms like Amazon are actually supporting that vision, saying that hey, do what you want, and give us our space to do our creative work. Having said that, once we met, we were, of course, very excited when Jennifer Salke gave us this offer to direct Citadel India. We met Russo brothers. We went to the US and the entire team. There was like a big conference room where we had episodes laid out for everybody. We actually did their reading, first reading of their episode. All of us together. They were very gracious and extremely collaborative and free. And when we heard our pitch, we were like on our call saying, what do we tell them? What is our pitch? So when we actually told the idea, it was off from what they were doing. It was there was more quirk in it. There was a bit more cinema in this. There's a lot of touch of cinema in Citadel Honey Bunny. There's a cinematic element throughout. There's a motif that works. I thought they're going to be saying, can you stick to what we are doing? So right off the bat, they were like, we love it. That's your flavor. Go for it. Stick to your vision, and that's the best part there. Of course, when we finished the reading at the end of it, we were texting each other. So many great minds sitting here, and then we said at the end of it, we said, actually, we are also not so bad, but we have only 10% of the resources.
Yeah, and when we saw all the gadgets and everything in their show, we decided, okay, instead of competing with them, thank God we've set ours in a different time period. So our gadgets are not going to be as fancy as theirs, which is in the future. So when you get to see the rest of the show and the trailer, you'll understand.
Any piece of art and I get excited about it, I make it a point to go and tell the person that you've done a good job. If I really like it, I want to go and applaud that person because that's just a natural instinct. I become a fan in that moment. So it was in the lockdown when Family Man released, and like everyone, I saw season 2, and I was a huge fan. And it was at 12 o'clock at night, 12:31 at night. Pretty late. I called DK. His wife must be wondering, we started talking about the show, and I said this is amazing and this and that, and started discussing action and Oneers only, for that matter. And like I said, he had me at Russo's. Because he said I'm going to tell you something, but if you tell anyone, I'll have to kill you. So I was like, no, I won't tell anyone. Tell me, please tell me. And then he said, we are doing this with the Russos, and I was like, the Russos, Avengers, and Raj and DK, Family Man, and Go Goa Gone, it's 3. They are coming together. What's going on? And then slowly, I met
I
Raj.
remember you also said that, see, I really want to do some action. You said that line. I'm like, guess what? It is action.
So it was just everything aligning together. And for my dad, it was just so that because he didn't like how my personality had become post Badlapur, like why I was behaving like that. He likes to see me in a certain way always. So, but when this came about, because I've matured since then so much that he knows I can handle all this. So he's coming as a parent more than just anything. That's David Dhawan, the parent. But he was so excited that I'm working with directors like Raj and DK because he's loved their work as well in the past, so much. So he's pretty excited about this, The world's moving continuously, The Russos are doing so much stuff in the West. They're doing so many series, productions, and now they're actually back to directing Avengers. And we should ask Raj and DK that when they're going to surprise us now with the big one. Okay, that's for a later conversation. I think Sam will agree, will always depend on the technical team that you have. And she has her favorite action choreographer, whose name is Yannick,
He's your favorite now.
He's my favorite now as well. He's amazing, that guy. And he's done some incredible work in Honey Bunny. And I think that Raj and DK always work with Ejaz Bhai as well. He's their mainstay. And so we had a very we had an amazing crew with us, you know, so I felt very safe in their hands. But there was a lot of hanging for some reason. They wanted me to like jump with a bike 40 feet in the air, and then Raj would be with the camera, and then DK will be like, "You'll do that, right? You'll do that." I'm like, "Well, like, okay, I don't know what to say."
They make it look like a cakewalk for you.
It was scary, but when you see the result, it's all worth it. And trust me, like, this is just a teaser. They've not put anything. They're behaving very conjuice. There's lots more that Samantha been through, bruises, hurts, which Amazon didn't let us put out actually.
So, wanting us to, leaving us wanting for more
कुछ
and
नहीं
more.
डालने देते हैं Amazon. यार इतना एम्बागो डाल देते हो तुम लोग. कुछ डाल ही नहीं सकते हम लोग.
Samantha,
कुछ तो डालने दो. सुबह का खाना जो खाया वो भी नहीं डाल सकते क्योंकि साइड में.
but
मेरे को तो बोल देता बीवी को फोन भी मत करो, उस पे भी एम्बागो है.
सचिन जिगर की जो ये जर्नी है राज डीके के साथ, ये शुरू हुई थी शोर इन द सिटी साइबो से. उसके बाद यस फील फ्री टू हुट फॉर अस, थैंक यू. उसके बाद गो गोवा गॉन, बाबा जी की बूटी. उसके बाद फैमिली मैन, उसके बाद हैप्पी एंडिंग ऑफ कोर्स 3, ऑफ कोर्स थैंक यू फॉर रिमाइंडिंग मी. और अब हम सिटाडेल तलक की जर्नी लेकर आए.
उसके हमारी इसके पहले एक जो वेब सीरीज आई थी उसका भी एक गाना आप लोगों ने बहुत पॉपुलर करा, ये हम बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि अमेजोन की थी, और जिसकी एक लाइन मैं गाऊंगा, बाकी आप गाए पैसा है तो. जी
हाँ जी, बड़ी बात करने के लिए आए हम, बिकॉज एज अ क्रिएटिव टीम वी हैव नेवर रियली गॉट द चांस टू थैंक ऑल यू फैंस. तो thank you for accepting all the madness, all the passion we have always done together as a creative team. This next song, which is the romantic song of the show, is nothing but a thank you note from Sachin Jigar, from Raj DK, from Priya and Shilpa. So here's Ye Safar.
here we go.
I love you, and these lines actually go out for everyone who loves our music. Is that है सफर ये साथ मेरा, and है अधूरा जो नहीं साथ तेरा. So आपका साथ है. That's why we're here.
Yes.
Otherwise, we just sit home jamming with each other. That's all.
Thank you.
Of course.
और इस सफर की एक और यूनिक बात यह है कि राज और डीके जो है वो बहुत बोल्ड है, बहुत ही हिम्मत वाले, बहुत ही डेयरिंग वाले लोग हैं. इसीलिए इनकी कंपनी का नाम भी D2R है. और इसका एक प्रूफ ये है कि जब भी हमने काम किया है साथ में, वी हैव ऑलवेज बीन एबल टू, एंड आई से दिस एज अ मैटर ऑफ प्राइड, that we have been able to bring to fore a new voice, a new talent, and which is why for the next song, which is the song of the day, boys and girls, who are we bringing on stage, Jigar boy?
Of course, and we'd also at this point like to say thank you, Shilpa, for doing this, because your voice absolutely brings so much value to the song, and for this whole journey from Saibo to Honey Bunny, we've had Priya to write lyrics for us, and can't be more thankful. जो नए आवाज़ों की बात है, we have हनी बनी का जो अगला गाना है, जो pretty much is the song, the title song. We have two new voices, Shubham and Shruti, and our most favorite Ash King.
Thanks to all the fans here and members of the media. Thank you for being here for Operation Citadel. We are really, really excited about this show. It's our most ambitious project. And ever since we announced the launch of Citadel Honey Bunny, we've been overwhelmed with the joyous response that we've got from fans and audiences, not only in India, but all over the world. So we are here together, finally, to unveil the launch date of the series and a teaser for the series exclusively for all of you before it gets released in front of the rest of the world. So really looking forward to that.
We've been together for a very long time, and it's been 15 years of movies and series, and now we have a new family with Amazon for the last few years, and this is going to be our third series with them. And we've done Farzi before, The Family Man, and now we are venturing into a new genre, action genre, with Citadel Honey Bunny.
I mean, aside from the fact that we get to see Varun in an action avatar, in an avatar that has never been seen before. This is the kind of action that he's never done before and probably nobody else has done before. So that's one thing to see. And Samantha has, while she has done action before with us in The Family Man, she's taken it to the next level now. And aside from that, I mean, we have our other favorite actors like this K.K. Menon in the show, and there's a lot of great, amazing actors. Hey, K.K. Menon fans somewhere there, yes.
Yeah! Woo! So we get to see new layers of each and every character.
Oh yeah, K.K. Menon, I mean, that goes without saying. He always has a new layer, no matter what you put him in.
First of all, thank you. Such a nice crowd. Welcome. What sets it apart? Apart from working with Rajan DK, it's a woman writing action for a man and a woman. That's new. I look like I'm happy with a cup of coffee and a book. That's there too. But I like action too, I'll find out.